Hi, my name is Gabby, and through meditation, I've been able to reflect on the topic of me who doesn't take responsibility. Before meditation, I was someone who didn't want to stand out. I remember in elementary school and high school, I would rarely ask a question in class because I was so afraid to be made fun of. And even when I went to university, I avoided or missed out on certain work opportunities because I was just so afraid to make a mistake, to be seen. I really saw responsibility as something that I was not capable of holding. It was a burden to me because the stakes, like being rejected or making a mistake, were too high. And as I reflect on this topic of me who doesn't want to take responsibility, I can see how much I've changed through meditation. I allow myself to be in a situation where I could fail, be rejected, or make a mistake. I'm more honest with myself and the people around me. I'm willing to say yes to opportunities that interest me, to stand up in a meeting and have my voice be heard. And recently I started a new job that has really pushed me outside my comfort zone. Responsibility is no longer something I avoid. It's about owning my life and my choices. And it's about showing up for myself regardless of the outcome. And most importantly, it's about continuing to show up. Because that's how we grow, little by little, by stepping into and owning who we are. This meditation has allowed me to know myself and accept myself in ways I never thought possible. And I'm really grateful for that.
Before I started this meditation, I was a bit of a perfectionist. I had to have a lot of things just perfectly. In my mind, I needed things to be a certain way, which naturally made things a little bit stressful for me, right? So for instance, if job was offering higher positions, which naturally came with more responsibilities, more duties, I really didn't want to take on that kind of position. I would naturally say just no, because I didn't want any more burden or stress. But after meditation, I have changed quite a bit because, those burden and stress was really something that was made from my mind, because I needed to have things a certain way, which created a lot of stress for me. So having found out that it was really my own mind that was making things stressful, I was able to reduce that perfectionistic tendencies. And I was willing to take on more responsibility in my job. And if I made a mistake or error, I was able to just accept it, okay? Or certain things didn't do well, as far as my job, I was okay with it. It was not the end of the world.